What is up, everybody? Stetson Lawn Care here. It is Friday afternoon. I just got home from Hawaii early this morning, and whenever I got home, I went to bed because I was really tired. I didn't sleep at all. It was like a 7-hour flight. I didn't sleep at all, and it was terrible. Yeah, it's Friday, finally home. Sorry I didn't make a video for you guys while I was there. I just kind of enjoyed my time, you know, in the warm weather. It was like 80s the whole time. It's so nice. And then come back to here, and you see my breath, you know. But so today I got a cool little video for you guys. I'm gonna be cold starting my truck and all my equipment, since my truck's been sitting for the past week. Yeah, it's been about 7 days, and then this stuff has been sitting for probably a month. It hasn't been turned on. So I'm gonna try to turn all this stuff on. Hopefully it works still. I'm really hoping. But I did put that like stuff in the gas mix or whatever, where it like makes it like, I don't know what it is, stabilizer or whatever, so like whenever it's sitting all winter it doesn't like hurt the engine. So I did do that. But so first I'm going to start off with my truck. So I'll figure out a place to put this. Well, my truck started up with no problem at all. So I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and then I'm gonna pull the trailer up and start that stuff. Alright guys, well the truck started up just fine. So I'm gonna try to start up the weed eater now. Alright guys, I'm about to start the Toro, so let's see how this goes. Go forward. Alright guys, well that's that. Looks like everything started up just fine. The weed eater had a little trouble, but it was out of gas. That's why I had to refill it. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, I'm sorry for not uploading last week, but it's not gonna happen again, promise. Everything started up just fine. We're back in business, ready for the spring. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.